Steve is here now with a check of the forecast.
Jim, how many times this close to December can you stroll around with just a light jacket on?
Not often.
I think you can do it again tonight, maybe another night as well tomorrow, and then things will start to turn colder, but I think most of that comes next week. So enjoy this mild spell while it's lasting. The weather watchers are enjoying it. They're showing signs of it getting a little bit chillier from up north. North to south is the way it'll sweep across the area. Here's Rich. He checks in with us every day. He's up in Gurnee. He's got 38 degrees there, and he's saying it's cold and breezy, winds at 10. Wind chill is 38, so some parts of the area, they're talking wind chill factor, but it's not extreme. Let's go far south and east and see what Cheryl and Mike are talking about. They are in Rensselaer. They get very precise with that dew point at 27. That means it's awfully dry outside for now, but we do have a chance of some rain coming late tonight. Let's move on, talk about the rest of this weather story. These are all the official stats, and notice they're pretty much like the weather watchers are saying. Warmest weather south of the city. The cool spots are up north across McHenry County. Look at the difference from McHenry to the weather in Valparaiso. Valparaiso's got temperatures in the mid-40s right now. Broaden it out, not that far away, it is freezing. Up in Green Bay, 32 degrees, and some of that chill is coming here. It'll be here after midnight tonight, and so will the threat of a shower. I shouldn't really say threat because it's not going to be anything too significant. Then it gets mild again tomorrow. Futurecast gives us the clouds and the temperatures. Let's look later on. This is about 4 in the morning while most of us are sleeping. It'll be 45 degrees with some light rain crossing the area. I think that sticks around through at least part of the rush hour, but notice by 7, 8 o'clock it'll start to improve. The cloudiest, showery weather will be across Indiana. We got a good chance of many of us hitting 50 degrees again tomorrow afternoon. So we go through that mild during the day and then cold at night, only in the 30s by 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So there's nothing going on now that we need to be concerned about. It's a 1-2 punch of a warm front, and then the rest of that storm passing by over the next 24 hours. It is really pretty tranquil across the country. Not a whole lot of weather alerts and not a whole lot of weather that looks wintry. Look at Fargo. It is warmer up in Fargo than it is here, and that's usually a good sign that there's nothing really Arctic coming this way, even though it'll be cold at night. So we put all of this in motion. The one thing of concern is that front as it passes through and gives us that overnight rain, but leaves us alone tomorrow. So 38 degrees is what we'll call the average temperature overnight tonight. Some places could be colder than that. And there is no real sign of real winter-like weather until next week. It should get colder by the middle of next week. But Jim, from the weekend right through the start of next week, that's nice to see those temperatures in the 50s with only a couple of chances of rain.
Almost hard to think about the holidays right now, right?
Yeah, that's not putting you in the mood, right?
No, it isn't.
Temperatures, but